All right, so guys, I sent out this flyer in regards to the TSI Bootcamp, and I had a couple of questions about it. So, number one, what is the advantage and how does the class meet and all that kind of stuff? So, guys, this is I sent it on both Prano and Blackboard, but this is a flyer. So, if you want to register, take your phone and scan the QR code for whichever one you're interested in. So, the first one here, you guys, the one at the top, this is actually my class. So this is going to meet at the Pecan campus, and it's Friday, May 12th, and then Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, May 17th, and then you take the test on Thursday. So this one does meet in Pecan in Building Y in room 2.112. Our class is from 9 in the morning to 1 in the afternoon. I know it's a long class. It's 4 hours a day, but I do give you a break, so we're not going to sit there for 4 hours and all that kind of stuff. There is a second option. This is an online synchronized. So yeah, the difference between online synchronized and what we traditionally know as online is online synchronized. You got to log in during that time. Okay, so you got to be online. Basically what you're doing is you're watching the lecture from home. Okay, so the class also Friday, May 12th, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday to May 17th, and then the test is Thursday, the 18th, okay? So this is online synchronized, so you'll go log into Blackboard, and there'll be some instructions. Ms. Gutierrez will be offering you guys instructions on how you're going to do it. I think she said she's going to use Microsoft Teams, and there'll be a link where you can log in and all that kind of good stuff, right? So just a couple of things. Let me pull up a calendar. Okay, so here's a calendar. The way the class is going to meet, y'all, is the 12th right here, which is, hoping I could do it there. Let me see if I can do it. I'll just go to my regular calendar right here. Okay, so it'll meet here on the 12th. Sorry, let me back out a little bit, month. And let me do it this way. Let's go like that. And let's scroll. Let's come back over here, boom. And bring this guy up right here. Okay, so now we're done. So y'all, the way the class will meet, we will meet for the first day on the 12th, and then we meet Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, right? And then this day is the day of the test, right? Okay, that's when you take, that's when you take the test. So the class goes from 9 to 1 those 4 days, okay? Again, testing on the 18th. Okay, so what's the advantage of doing this, right? Well, let me tell you the big advantage. The big advantage, y'all, what I did here is I went to the STC homepage. I typed in fall 23. I'm looking at math classes. Okay, so I'm going to scroll down here to, say, business and economics and contemporary math. If you notice, y'all, some of these sections, like this one here, 1324 PO7, says math for business and social studies, co-requisite. If you don't pass the TSI, then whenever you get ready to take your college level math, you have to do the ones that are co-requisite, okay? All that means is that there's an additional hour twice a week that class meets. And you might say, well, look, I'm looking at right here. Let me kind of go to the middle of the page, and I'm trying to pull it up so it's a little bit towards the top. The very top one here, math contemporary math co-requisite Tuesday, Thursday from 12 to 1:45 with Mr. Cortez. Okay, it's the one at the very top. And you might say, well, where's the other hour? I only see that it says 12 to 1:45. What you have to do, y'all, is, let me scroll back over here. See right here where I typed in math? I'm going to take away that H. I'm going to type in an L. And let me see if I can get out of here. Okay, here we go. And I'm going to the one right here. And I'm going to put it so it goes at the very top. You see where it says right here, MATL 0032 PO1. That's Tuesday and Thursday from 2 to 2:50 in Pecan G205, also with Mr. Cortez. That's the second part to the class, right? So the first part of his class met Tuesday and Thursday from 12 to 1:45. The second part goes from 2 to 2:50. So his class basically goes from 12 to almost 3, right? So anyway, that's how those classes are set up, right? Whether you're doing a contemporary math, whether you're doing a college algebra or statistics, or there was some for 1324. Here we go. Yeah, the business and economics, right? So that's the main difference, okay? So let me come back here one more time, and let me type in an H, and go like that. Okay, and now here we go back. So you don't have to do those. You can just do the one that says contemporary math. You don't have to do the co-requisite. Or you can take math for business and social sciences, but you don't have to do the co-requisite one, okay? That's the advantage. So the other advantage, y'all, again, I'm gonna come back to the calendar. I thought I had a calendar here. Here we go. It's May 12th, 15th, 16th, 17th. It's 4 days, right? 4 days of doing a class and getting the test done, right? Hopefully passing on the 18th, and you're done, right? The other thing is it's free of charge. If you decide you want to go take the TSI test on your own, you can do it. You just got to pay for it. Here, everything is free. You get the free boot camp class and you get the free opportunity to test, okay? So anyway, the question is, should I do it? It's kind of up to you. I mean, I think there's advantages to doing it. The other thing I did want to mention, y'all, I'm going to come back one more time. I'm going to go to the MATL. Those of you who are going into nursing, and there's certain allied health classes, you don't actually need a college level math class. So you don't have to take college algebra, you don't got to take statistics, anything like that. If you do not pass the TSI, right, and you're not TSI complete after Math 100, I'm going to bring it up here to the top. Do you see where it says MATL 0014 PF1? College Algebra Support IND. IND means independent. That means that the class runs on its own. That's the class that you have to take to become TSI complete. And it's limited to those students whose majors do not require them to have a math class. So we have a couple of those sections, y'all. They're offered, but those are the classes that you need to sign up for, okay? So, and the class usually, like I'm gonna pull it up here, just so you can kind of see. The class goes from August 28th to October 6th, so it's like, I don't know, 6 weeks. I don't know that that's the right time, y'all, because I taught one myself this semester and it was 2 hours, not an hour. So there might be a typo there, and I believe that there is. But anyway, the point that I want to make is, you got to do something for 6 weeks where you can knock this out in 4 days. So those of you who especially are going into nursing, if I was going into nursing, I would definitely do this TSI boot camp class, okay? So anyway, I sent the info, y'all, on Pronto and on Blackboard. Here's the two sections, right? When do you think it's going to work best, right? Y'all, just as a heads up, you do need to go all 4 days in order for you to take the test for free. So if you go Friday and then you miss Monday and Tuesday and you come back Wednesday, they won't let you take the test for free, okay? So again, this one here is in person at Pecan. I'm doing that one 9 to 1 in Building Y 2.112. And this is the online synchronized class with Ms. Gutierrez. So again, you just make sure you log in the whole time and you participate and all that kind of good stuff. But just wanted to give you guys a heads up. You got questions, let me know.